Hi everyone! Today we're going to make some cute mini robots. I want to thank Josh from Josh's shop for the idea. As always, we'll start by cutting up the lumber in the right sizes. The dimensions for my mini robots are 2.5 by 2.5 by 2.5 centimeter. Now I will be cutting the legs on the table saw. If you have a crosscut sled, it might be easier. As you can see, there's still some cleaning to do. I'm making 5 sets out of 5 robots out of different woods. The mouth will be just the thickness of the blade. Okay, let's mark the location for the eyes. Then you can drill the eyes with a 5mm drill bit. So now I had time to clean up the bottom. I'm doing this with a chisel and a piece of wood with some sandpaper on it. So sanding is never a fun job, but oh wait, with this sander it was a lovely job. I put on the belt with the 180 grit and it was lovely. I'm sanding the faces of the block and I'm rounding over the corners. Now I need to do some lighter contour sanding. So I'm removing the back plate. Giving the eyes a really subtle chamfer. A little bit of hand sanding was required. Due to the bad camera angle, you are not able to see what I'm doing, but here I'm sanding the inside of the legs. For the ears I'm drilling 6mm holes. I'm gluing in 6mm dowels, sanding them to length on the disc sander. Here I'm carefully rounding over the edges of the towel. Finishing with mineral oil, and the finish is always the best part. Hi! Thanks for watching this video until the end. Did you like it? Please give it a thumbs up. And thanks again to Josh from Josh's shop for giving me the idea of making these mini robots. Be sure to check out his video and I'll see you in one of my other videos. Bye!